Did you know? Pandas can sleep up to 12 hours a day. And guess what? They spend the other 16 hours eating bamboo. So basically, sleep, eat, repeat. But don't be fooled. Even though they look chubby and cute, pandas are actually carnivores, eating only bamboo. Oh, and baby pandas? They're born the size of a pencil and weigh just 100 grams. So tiny and adorable. And the most unique part, pandas can't jump, but they're great at climbing trees. Lazy, cute, and totally lovable. Are you Team Panda too? Follow for more fun animal facts.